We know that feed takes over 70% of the costs of production. And feed taking over 70% of costs of production means that feed has to be given a lot of attention. And the attention is in terms of trying to minimize on wastage, at the same time improve performance of our birds, such that we are able to maximize returns on investment or to maximize profitability of our broiler enterprise. Today, I want us to look at 5 key areas through which you can minimize on feed wastage, increase on utilization, and subsequently increase profitability of the enterprise. Before we look at the 5 key areas, we need to look at some very important factors. On average, a broiler bird consumes around 1 kilogram of starter feed. Then it also consumes around 1.5 kilograms of growers feed, and then another 1.5 kilograms of the finishers feed. So that is quite an amount of feed that will be spent on a bird whose dressing percentage or carcass weight will range between 1 to 1.25 kilograms of carcass weight. For us to understand how broiler birds perform, we need to look at what we call feed conversion ratio. Feed conversion ratio is the amount of feed your broiler bird is going to consume for each kilogram of live weight it will be able to gain. So we always have to look for birds that need less amounts of feed to give us a kilogram of live weight. So what are those 5 key management practices that you need to always look out for when managing your feed resources? The first important factor is always avoid feeders that facilitate wastage of feed while the birds are feeding. Number 2, always give your birds a resting period after every feeding. When the birds rest after a feeding session, they will be able to optimally utilize the feed that they have ingested, such that most of it is being assimilated or absorbed into the body system and subsequently converted into meat. But if you don't give them a resting session, then they will keep eating, and in the due course they will excrete it as waste, and in that way you'll be wasting a lot of your feed resource. So ensure that there's a resting period between feeding sessions. The other point is ensure that you keep your feed safe from molds and any factors that could deteriorate its quality while in storage. And we don't want to keep our birds post 7-8 weeks, because maintaining their body weight is going to be expensive for us. Body weight of a broiler is very expensive because it's consuming energy, it's consuming proteins, which proteins are supposed to maintain this heavy weight. So ensure that the birds are sold off after attaining that market weight that is demanded by your customers or your consumers. The other point is we need to maintain our birds healthy. Remember, a sick bird will not be able to convert the feed it has eaten into muscle. So ensure that the birds are kept healthy. In that way, they will be able to maximize utilization of the feed you have given them. There are different ways of ensuring that the birds are maintained healthy. One way is to do vaccination. Ensure that you follow the vaccination schedule of your production system or of your birds. Vaccinate them against infectious diseases that are rampant in your production area. It is also important that the GIT system, the gastrointestinal system of your birds, is maintained healthy. Remember, at times the feed that we give our birds is contaminated with toxins, or what we call mycotoxins. So ensure that the feed contains mycotoxin binders that are able to neutralize the toxins in the feed. Or remember that when the feed is contaminated with toxins, then it is going to affect or it is going to destroy the good bacteria in the GI system that actually will be used in breaking down the feed your birds have eaten. So mycotoxin binders are very important in ensuring a healthy GIT system that is going to digest, break down the feed, convert it into the nutrients that are required in synthesizing the meat that will make your birds grow. The other point that we also need to look at when reducing or management practices that are going to help us in reducing cost of production or feeding costs are always ensure that the place where you keep your broiler feed is clean and safe. All places that are high in humidity will always cause deterioration of the bird's feed. So ensure that the feed is kept in clean and dry place, such that the integrity or the quality of the feed is kept constant. Anything to do with the building up of heat in the feedback will lead to build up of molds. These molds are going to create mycotoxins, which mycotoxins are going to degrade the quality of the feed. And when you give your birds that kind of feed, obviously it will cause them to fall sick. The birds will not be able to utilize the feed as expected. So those are the different management practices that you need to look out for in order to reduce on the feeding costs.